when this scene calls for sound effects, you're going to make sound effects that pertain to Andrew's motions, and you're going to make sound effects that pertain to Chris's motions.
Okay.
So let's practice that. Chris, say something, and let's have her practice sound effect.
Alrighty, I got me a nice here boomerang. I'm going to throw it.
Wonderful. That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, Andrew, let's have practice with JD.
Yeah, well, you think that's impressive. I've been working on my drive.
All right, JD. Okay, so for this scene, these two are on a trip somewhere unusual. Where are they going to? It's kind of unusual. Cuba, sure. Why not Cuba? You guys are somehow in Cuba. Action.
Oh, I'm excited, Jethro. I am so excited to be going on this trip with you. Woo! Sorry. I got a little stomach thing today, and it came out a little weird.
Seth, that's okay. I accept you for whatever state you're in.
Oh, good.
I'm just happy that you dragged me along on this excursion.
Hey, if we're going to go to Cuba, we got to make sure we bring all the proper accessories.
No?
Yeah?
Yep. I need a lighter and a cutter for my cigars.
Okay, so light that cigar up.
What? It sounds like I'm driving with a golf club.
It looks like you got all gas and no flame.
Oh, my eyes! Oh.
Well, let me tell you what. You got that little... I got this flamethrower here. Watch this. It does it once and then it's gone.
That was impressive. Try that again.
Okay,
Seth.
hold on. I'm going to load it up. It just blows air. Imagine a big flame coming out.
I have a feeling they're going to kick us right out of Cuba, Seth.
But you know what?
Yep.
The restrictions on Cuba are a little low right now, so we're actually going to have to take a helicopter over there.
Ah, that's great. I know how to...
Oh, here it comes.
Here it comes already.
Oh, the boomerang came back. Back through it.
Come on. Sit on down. I think I know how to fly this thing.
Do
Come
you?
on, jump on in.
All right, let me open the door here. Oh, my back. I'm gonna get on in here. Why don't you like...
I'm going to start it by hand. Ready? I'm going to start it
Okay, start it by hand. It didn't go far. Here, let me turn the switch on.
Switch. Good thinking.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna actually try to start this helicopter now. Hey, it's going!
All right, I'm going to get in now.
Hop in!
It sounds like I'm trying to start the helicopter again.
Jump in! All right, hold on tight. I didn't bring a seat for you.
I'm just going to stand and adjust my binoculars as we go.
Binoculars are kind of silent. That's a dumb choice.
Not if I'm trying to clean them.
Oh, okay. Oh, very nice.
Now the other side.
Okay, all I need you to do is take the gunner spot off the side, all right? So we're going to, protection and all.
You want me to fire this thing and see if it works?
Yeah, please do. That's all right. I got the automatic. Watch this. It blows a lot of air, but no